Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. Welcoming to our showroom in the form of a 1968 Corvette Convertible. We got ourselves a shiny red Vette. This one particular year, of course, has the front and rear chrome bumpers. And this one, the big block hood, while marked 427, this is a big block 396. Those hoods are nice, beautiful big block hood. This has a Muncie manual 4-speed transmission. Very easy to drive, starts right up. Those are the Chevrolet Rallies with Firestone Redline tires on all fours. 4-wheel disc brakes. Nice and chromed up underneath here. This has a manual convertible top. Very easy to get up and down. Has your luggage rack in the back. Beautiful wood grain stereo. Easy to drive 4-speed. And ready for the road right now. Now's your chance to get a big block 1968 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible. And it's ready for the road right now. Make sure you hang out the end of the video. Check out all the still pictures that we have. Get a little bit better pictures of what I can provide right now. Undercarriage, engine compartment, and the interior as well. Please also check us out on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to us on YouTube. We surely would appreciate it. CruisinClassicsInc.com is our website. 614-276-7355 is our number here in Columbus. Call us anytime, from anywhere. And as always, thank you from all of us at Cruisin Classics.